Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm going to show you how to create our new project, our very first project on Photoshop using the Marquee tool, selection tool, okay, and the move tool. How to fill the selection with the color, and to understand the concept of the layers. If you can't find the layers panel, you can get it from window, and make sure there's tick beside the layers. Okay, to create a new project, press File, New, type down your name or the name of the project. Then we're going to work on international paper size A4. Press OK. If we need to flip the picture to make the orientation landscape, we can press on image and then image rotation 90-degree clockwise. Okay, to zoom in and out of the picture, we can press on the zoom here, zoom tool. Okay, just keep pressing on clicking on the mouse and you'll find it zooming in or out, or press Control plus and Control minus, Control plus to zoom in, Control minus to zoom out. Okay, to make the selection, press on the Marquee tool. Okay, right click and then choose rectangle Marquee tool. Make a new layer. Drag the mouse like this and make the selection. Choose the color that you want. Double click on the foreground color and then choose the color that you want. I'm going to choose black. Okay. Then you can fill the selection with the color by pressing on the gradient tool, right click, choose the paint bucket tool. Paint bucket tool to fill the selection, or you can use Alt plus backspace, Alt backspace. Okay, it's better to use the shortcuts in Photoshop to help you to make the project more quickly or faster. Okay, to create another selection, create a new layer and then press on the Marquee tool again. Okay, there's options here. The second option means we can choose or select more than one selection. To create one selection only, press on the first option here and then make the selection. Okay, like this. Okay, make it more smaller like this. Fill the color with the paint bucket tool, and then to remove the selection, you can press on select, deselect, or from the keyboard just press Ctrl D. Remember, if you need to move the shape or the layer anywhere on the screen, just press on the move tool here and then you can start moving your shape or your layer or your selection, whatever, on the screen and positioned anywhere you want. We need to create an elliptical marquee tool, so choose elliptical marquee tool by pressing right click and choose elliptical marquee tool, and then draw a circle like this. And of course it's in a new layer. If you didn't make a new layer, you need to create a new layer from this button. Now fill it with black or any color you want. Okay, choose rectangle marquee tool again, create a new layer, then draw a rectangle like this, fill it with the black, always use Alt Backspace. Alright, so to create our last shape in a new layer, make a selection with the Marquee tool, Elliptical Marquee tool, draw a circle like this, and then choose from the options above the third one, which is subtract from selection. Draw another circle like this, and your shape is ready to fill it with Alt Backspace. Remove the selection with Ctrl D, and then you can move it with the Move tool. Remember that you can transform your selection with the Ctrl T. Ctrl T is a short for transform. You can make it bigger, smaller, and you can rotate it like this. So I hope I cleared everything in this project for you. I am waiting for your own project on Photoshop, and after you finish your project you can take a screenshot. You can click on the start and find a snipping tool. To take a screenshot, press new, select your screen, and then press file, save as, and then type down your name and your class, save it and send it to me. Thank you so much.